It's a word you might have heard, COVID-19. COVID-19 is a new disease caused by the coronavirus. It can make you very sick. It can be dangerous for anybody, but in particular older adults and people with compromised immune systems or chronic illness like TB, heart disease, diabetes, or HIV. A lot of the symptoms are like the flu, fever, dry and itchy cough, sore chest, or hard to breathe. Most people only get a mild flu from COVID-19. If anyone gets sick and has one of these symptoms, they should not go to a doctor or clinic, but should phone 080-002-9999. There are some things you can do to protect yourself, your family and friends from getting or spreading the virus. Wear a mask whenever you leave home to stop spreading or catching droplets. Wash your hands often using soap and water. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer if you cannot wash your hands. Good hygiene. Wear a face mask to stop the spread of droplets containing the virus from person to person. Cough or sneeze into your elbow or into a tissue. Never use your hands. Don't touch your face. Don't prick your nose, touch your eyes or mouth because this is where germs can enter into your body. Social distancing. Don't get too close to people outside your home. Always try to stand at least 2 meters away from one person outside your home. Don't go to places where there are large groups. Remember that there are many people helping in our communities. If you need help, phone 080-002-9999. Most important, wear your mask and wash your hands. This public service message is brought to you by the Plett Tourism Association and the Bitou Municipality.